in this scenario, the mindset has totally changed. All the people, they have become so much selfish, if I say. In their own ways they are busy, they are occupied with their own ways, they are just running after money, and getting more money, and in the terms of anything, like many people, they are doing unethical work. Good evening.
How is
How
your
are you?
day so far?
So far so good. You tell me, what about you?
My day is also so very good. So today I will discuss about friendship.
Okay.
Have you heard about the friendship of Krishna and Sudama? Because you also belong from that city where Krishna has taken, I think, born.
Yeah.
So
Shri
you
Krishna's
want to say
birthplace,
something about
basically.
their friendship?
Yeah.
You want to say about their friendship, Krishna and Sudama? Like Sudama was very poor, but Krishna was the
Yeah.
king of Mathura.
Yeah.
And
It was.
you know, I'm just telling you, like one day Sudama decided, okay, today I will meet my old friend Krishna.
Yeah. Right. Right.
And, the situation of Sudama was very pathetic. They were living
Yeah.
their life in poverty. So his wife advised, okay, go to the house of Krishna's, not house, it is called palace. So go
Palace.
to
Yeah.
that palace and request for some help. Then the
Right. Right.
Sudama, come to that palace. All the soldiers don't allow him,
Yeah. They're
that
subjects.
you cannot enter in the palace.
Yeah. They're
Then
subjects.
she told that you inform your king that Sudama has been come. After knowing this, Lord Krishna ran and he touched his feet, I think, because Sudama was
Yeah.
Brahman.
Yeah. He touched his feet. Yeah. Right.
Yes, Rama was Brahman, so he touched his feet, and then they enter in the palace. After that, they show his love for his friend. And when he
Yeah.
returned their house, Sudama got, oh, we are very rich. He has filled his house with, money.
Yeah.
So
Right.
I
Right.
can say, like, if we have good friend, they can understand your situation. If you are facing any, difficult situation, they can understand.
Yeah. But nowadays, such kind of friendship, they are very rare, because
Hmm.
their friendship was priceless. But
Yes.
in this scenario, the mindset has totally changed. All the people, they have become so much selfish, if I say. In their own ways, they are busy, they are occupied with their own ways, they are just running after money, and getting more money, and in the terms of anything, like many people, they are doing unethical work. Okay, they are not thinking of anything, and they are just running after money. And if I tell you about the friendship, so nowadays we cannot see, it's very rare. Barely we find such people
True friend.
who's having such kind of friendship and all. And it's there's a saying that a friend in need, a
A
friend
friend
indeed.
indeed,
Yeah.
a friend
Yeah,
indeed.
this
Yes.
is the saying.
So,
But there are very few people,
yes.
there are very few people, they implement basically the emotion. It's all about the love, care, and the emotion we have towards our friendship, towards our friend. But nowadays it's lacking, kind of lacking, because it's a far cry thinking about such kind of positivity, love towards a friend. Because it's nowadays it's very rare to manage all the things in your relatives, in
Mm-hmm.
your relationships. So it's a very far cry to to be in the touch with your such friends. Very rare, very few people, they are managing all the things, juggling all the things. But nowadays the thought process totally changed.
Last time when you were studying in your school, how many friends do you have?
Up to 10th class I didn't have any friends. But when I got entered in 11th class, I took commerce. Therein I found three friends, and we were very enjoying all the time. And I used to talk, I used to be like a very candid person, very candid person all the time, smiling, laughing, and all. But yeah, when I pursuing my second year, I got married. And yeah, but I am connected with those friends. Not three, but two of friends. Till now I have the connection with my friends, like not I would say regular basis, but once in a month we talk. We have a telephonic conversation, and that's it. We just share our feelings, or whatever is like occurring in our life. The lifestyle, because totally has changed nowadays, so we just share our feeling. We talk a lot. These type of things we are doing. That's it. Yeah.
Being a good friend, what are the special qualities you should,
Yeah, the special quality, if I tell you, if any friend, any person has, it should be like they should very understandable, sensible, so that they can understand the other person's behavior, because it just inculcated. When you have such friends, whether it's one or two, it's completely okay. It's not about the numbers of friends. It's about how good your friend is, and how's his behavior, her behavior towards yours. So that really matters. It's about how can we take the things. Sometimes the arrogant comes up, sometimes the attitude. So we need to try to get away from such situation, because once you have the attitude, and you are trying to put on airs, you are trying to do such things, so there is the friendship, the love, the care, all of a sudden it just dampens.
You have already told me that nowadays we can't find these kind of friendship, like
Yeah,
Krishna and
right.
Sudama type friendship.
Yeah,
You are in a good situation and you are very rich, then you will have only good friend.
yeah,
Like,
it,
some friend is just, you can say poor friend also. They have
yeah,
no good situation also.
right, right.
So sometimes they are very feeling shame to introduce their friends.
Yeah, it happens because we feel embarrassed that moment. We feel like they are not having the that kind of they are not living that standard of life. Their standard is totally below to us, so we all of a sudden try to compare ourselves to them. So this should not be happening. When it is the all the things is the context of a friendship. So we need to just take it so far, with the love, with the care, and with the understanding. So nowadays it's like kind of lacking. It's
Hmm.
totally extinct,
They
if
are
I tell you.
same status friend.
Yeah, because money plays a very essential and huge role here in the friendship. I would definitely say this to you, because if the person is very rich, very well off, definitely he'll get a lot of number of friends,
Hmm.
because they are all the time showcasing love, putting the pictures, the videos, and the WhatsApp status, and Facebook, Instagram, and all. Try to showcase their love, demonstrate basically, but in reality, inwardly, they feel jealous of the other person who is rich. Okay, so this should not be the case. If you really have that kind of intuitive, the feeling, the emotion towards your friends, then definitely you have to stand by him, whether his situation is good or not good, the in the adversity basically. If you you are standing by him, and you you take care their feelings, their emotions, so
Mhm.
that will be called a good friendship. Yeah.
I have so many friends. I can say 5 or 6 friends,
Okay.
and we get time. Always connected by WhatsApp, audio call, sometimes video call also.
Okay.
We can share everything. They are my childhood friend, also college friend, school friend. They are same,
Okay.
and I have never changed my friend.
Okay, nice, nice.
Like nowadays, people are, there are so many friends, but sometimes they're feeling alone.
Yeah, because the person is not understanding, na? They are not sharing the emotion basically. They are sharing like they are taking selfie, they are putting some photos, and any video clip, and posting it on like Instagram and all, just demonstrating they are, that yes, we love you, we care you, this is all. And if the person is well off, then it happens. If the
And
person is like
I see on Instagram, like there are so many good vlogger also. They are making some good reels also. In the beginning, they are just showing okay, all they are very good friends. But after some time, there are some misunderstanding also. So after some time, they are posting a video where they are writing something bad thing
yeah,
their friend, and they want more and more views.
Right, right.
Not a good thing. If your relationship is not going good, so you
Yeah,
should easily quit. But if you are telling everybody that we are not friend, and you are writing something wrong
yeah.
against your friend, I think it's not good. And you are applying some status also. But
Right, right. In this scenario, if I tell you that if you really hello,
yes, you are
actually there was
saying
an internet issue. Yeah, internet issue from my side. Yeah. So I was telling you, if in this scenario, if a particular person is having kind of emotion, then definitely he will get along with the other person, other friend, and he's not having the emotion, basically the love and the care. If we like each other, we love, we take care the feelings, the emotions, and we stand by him, her, definitely it will going to far far away. And we need to just keep in this our mind that we must have the emotion towards our friends. Yeah. Then we
you.
can get along with him. Yeah.
Like on the YouTube, there are some good bloggers also. I'm not taking the name, but first they're showing their good friend, but after some time they are showing, okay, she's not my good friend. She's just spreading some rumors against me. So many things just
Yeah,
for some views.
yeah, right,
And
absolutely
yes, they are
happening.
spreading negativity also.
Yeah, right, right.
But sometimes
Happens,
YouTubers
yeah.
also think, okay, these YouTubers are very good friends. But after some time, when they came to know, okay, now they are not good friends.
Yeah,
Uh, you can't trust, like you're trusting someone. So they are, including these kind of thing, like you can't trust anyone in the terms of friendship.
yeah. In friendship, becoming trustworthy is very important. It plays a very huge role that you must be that kind of trustworthy person. And if it's not, meaning this is, if this is lacking, then it's all futile. The
Hmm.
trust is very important in the friendship. Yeah, that, yeah, if the other my friend is not calling me, and he's not meeting me, maybe he's occupied or she's occupied with her own work. Even if we should, that moment we need to become little bit considerate. Okay, maybe he's busy in his own work, it's okay, no, it's okay, we need to understand that feeling. And there definitely that kind of,
Have you seen any possessive friend?
no, no, no,
Like sometimes
never ever, never ever.
they have the nature of obsession. Sometimes they want, okay, she is my friend, so she always talk to me.
Yeah, it could be, it could be.
Some person has this kind of nature also.
Yeah, but this is not, I would say, possessive. It's obsession, kind of obsession, I would say. The person
Yes,
has the obsession that my friend just lives with me, talks with me,
yes, yes,
chill with me, hang out with me.
yes.
This is not the case, no? And this should not be happening. Yeah,
Some person has this kind of nature.
yeah, maybe it could be possible. Yeah,
So always you talk to me. Always you should share all the feelings with me.
yeah. Why did you share this thing to other person? These kind
And you
of complaints and all.
to the other person.
Yeah,
If I'm
right.
like that. So I can say it's not a good thing.
Yeah,
Everybody is free to make friendship.
right, right. Absolutely.
Anything else, if you want, you can edit in this conversation.
No, no, no. It's okay, and you can go and wind up the session.
Thanks a lot for giving your precious time, Nutan.
Thank you. It was very nice, amazing talking with you. Thank you.